Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Face to Face. Today we have with us an advocate, Ashma Syed. She is the Mahila chief of a local party, Goa Forward. But she is also an advocate and she has taken up an issue of a video which has gone viral of an actress in Kankon, wherein some videos were shot and then they were circulated. She has filed a complaint which was acted upon. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to our show. Ma'am, could you give us a general run-up, status of how you got into the filing the complaint and what is the status? What is the general issue, the reasons, and first you tell how and why, and then the reasons why you went into that, ma'am.
हे जे व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाले फाटले 2-4 दिसान व्हायरल जाल्लो व्हिडिओ कंप्लेंट फायल करपा पयली सो म्हाका many women also called me, some known friends, male also, they also called me, many known people, and they started asking me की यार गोंयांत चल्ला कितें चल्ला गोंयांत आतां इतले सगळे जाल्ले आतां हे एक जावपाचे आशिल्ले फोन व्हिडिओचो शूट जालो आणि ते बी गव्हर्नमेंट प्रिमायसिसचेर गव्हर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीचेर जालो वेर खंय एक सामान्य गोंयकाराक एंट्री रेस्ट्रिक्टेड आसा असले जाग्यार एक शूट जालो दॅट टू फोन व्हिडिओ कशें कितें चल्ला गोंयांत म्हणून खूब लोकांक काणकोणच्या लोकांनी इश्यू काडलो थंयचे लोक सामके शॉक जाल्ले आणि मागीर सिन्स हे एक म्हाका अशें दिसलें की हो व्हिडिओ आमच्या गोंयचेर एक वायट इमेज इट इज गोइंग टू गिव अ बॅड लायट टू गोवा
ओके
गोंयचे एक वायट इमेज अख्खे जगान स्प्रेड जातलो म्हणून म्हाका दिसलें की वी हॅव टू टेक एन एक्शन ऑन दीस आनी आमी तो कंप्लेंट फायल केली कित्याक हे आमचे बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट जेन्ना ऑपोजिशनान आशिल्ली ते व्हडले नारी बद्दल उलयताली नारीची रक्षा नारीची इमेज बेटी बचाओ हे सगळे उलोवपी यांचेच गव्हर्नमेंटान हे फोन व्हिडिओ शूट जाता ते बी गव्हर्नमेंट प्रिमायसिसाचेर शूट जाता हांगा परमिशन कोणे दिली जे प्रिमायसिसाचेर जो लॉक असता ताजी एंट्री लॉक असता सामान्य मनशाक थंय वचपाक मेळच ना तर हाऊ दिस एंटायर क्रू हे बेश्टे एक पूनम पांडे वचुना न्ही थंय तो एंटायर क्रू गेल्लो आसतलो न्ही शूट करपाक हे आख्खो क्रू थंय कसो पावलो कोण आसा इन्वॉल्व हितून
Okay. Now, before we go into, madam, before we go into who involved and all, then now are you satisfied with the action of the government on this? तुमची complaint are you satisfied because they have suspended कोणाक PI suspend केला आणि एक दोन एका suspend केला she was arrested. Are you satisfied? Or is this you say knee jerk reaction just ते उजो पेटला म्हणून उदक घालपाक are you satisfied in with this?
No, I am not satisfied with the arrest of Poonam Pandey alone because आता आमकां हेच्या मुळान वचपाची गरज आसा हांगा पुलिसाकूय सस्पेंड केलो थंयचे 2 सेक्युरिटी गार्डूय सस्पेंड जाले पण थंय पुलीस पावली कशी पुलिसाक थंय वचपाक परमिशन दिले कोण खंयचे मिनिस्टराचो फोन गेल्लो आसतलो जे एंट्री ओपन केली तेंच्यांनी
that we will I want to discuss a separate completely separate so ते आता सद्याक आता मॅडम तुम्ही आता पूनम पांडेचेर कंप्लेंट केली FIR रेजिस्टर झाली तिका डिटेन अरेस्टेड XYZ किती झाले द पुलीस पर्सनल तेंका हे झाले सिक्युरिटी गार्ड सस्पेंड झाले बट I don't know if तुम्ही aware आसा there was another actor who has whose photograph running without any clothes on a public beach also went out on social media तेंचे आता किती आसा तुमचे what you feel about that आणि you think तुमचे तेंचेरूय आता कितें कंप्लेंट करूंक जाय एक्शन करूंक जाय कित्याक खूब फिल्म स्टार गोंयान येता आनी कितें कोत्ता आमी नको एक्झॅक्टली
Definitely, I object this, and our party also has objected. We are not at all supporting this type of tourism. We will never support this type of tourism. आणि हे जे मिलिंद सुमनाचो जो पोस्ट आयिल्लो रनिंग न्यूड ऑन द बीच, this government should. This has happened immediately after we had filed a complaint against Poonam Pandey.
Correct.
When a incident was brought to the notice, prior to this incident, the government an action कित्याक घेवना? Governmentak सगळ्याच पब्लिकान सांगपाचें आसता. Government cannot take a so moto action on that when such things happen. When Tarun Tejpal was arrested at that time, government had taken so moto action on that.
Correct.
So governmentak दोळ्याक उक्ते ना कित्याक government busy आसा दुसऱ्याच कामान. Governmentan हे पळोवपाचें आशिल्लें. Government should take the so moto action of these things. When these things are happening in Goa, आमी अशें दोळे धापून बसपाक शकना. एक फोन व्हिडिओ शूट जाता ते बी गव्हर्नमेंट प्रिमायसिसाचेर आमी ओगी रावपाक शकना.
Beach is also a public place. It's a public place, no? It is not a private place.
And where nobody is allowed, how permissions were given?
Okay.
And we will not encourage this type of tourism.
Okay.
इन गोवा. जर हेच सगळे जाले जाल्यार गोंयांत लोक हेच करपाक येतले आणि तांकां VIP स्टेटस दिला, रेड कार्पेट हे केला तांकां.
Sorry.
This is a VIP treatment given to these people who are coming from outside. That too to shoot a phone video.
Madam, but why are you surprised? No, but why are you surprised that this is happening in Goyan Zata? Now, I'm sure you must be knowing. Some time back, Deepika Padukone, who was also involved in that Sushant Rajput, she was called. She was in Goa. Now, this person is there in Goa. Now, Milind Soman is there. There's so many of these actors, actresses, people with. कोविड टायमार कित्याक दिल्ली आनी मुंबय सगळे पॅक आसले हे सगळे गाडयो विथआउट सायड सगळे दॅट इज नॉट सरप्रायझींग न्हू दॅट इट इज गोईंग ऑन ते सगळे जाणा न्हू
It is not surprising. It is not surprising because it is under BJP government.
Okay.
This is quite expected under BJP government.
Okay.
This is what they are doing, and some ministers want to be in their good books. That is why they are allowing these things to happen.
कशें म्हणटा मॅडम ती एलिगेशन मिनिस्टराचेर
एलिगेशन नी हे सगळे गोंयांत कित्याक जावपा लागला दॅट इफ गव्हर्नमेंट इज नॉट इन्क्वायरिंग ऑर नॉट टेकिंग एनी एक्शन ऑर नॉट हेजेर क्लीन येना गव्हर्नमेंट. आतां कालचो पूनम पांडेचोच केस परमिशन दिला जाल्यार एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा जे आसा ताजो परमिशन घेवपाक जाय कसलीय शूट जाता जाल्यार. I am not against the shooting in Goa. Our party or we not against the shooting in Goa, but not a shooting of an obscene act in the public place, in the government place. हे जर जाले जाल्यार लोक गोंयांत हेच करपाक येतले मागीर.
Okay.
And this is maligning the image of Goan women.
So you think that no permission was taken?
If permission was taken, then the government should have come clean on this. Permission घेतला PI कित्याक सस्पेंड केले?
Okay.
ताका कित्याक सस्पेंड केले? तो कित्याक गेल्लो तर थंय?
Okay. And ESG is supposed to be keeping a track. ESG is supposed to be keeping a track on all these shootings and films and all that, right?
Yeah, prior permission from ESG has to be taken. And हे परमिशन घेतला जाल्यार that government should come clean on this.
Okay, that is a good point. म्हाका मॅडम एक इश्यू आसा नाव वी स्पोक अबाउट अर्लियर आमी कितें म्हणलां दॅट वील टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर. नाव नॉर्मली सिक्युरिटी दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार कोणाक दे हॅज टू बी सम प्रोसिजर सम एप्लिकेशन अदरवायज दॅट पर्सन हॅज टू बी सम बिग शॉट फोन येवपाक जाय कोणाचो. नाव तेजेर आमी तुमी मेन्शन केल्लें. सो वॉट यू फील हाव इज अ PI इज क्वायट अ हाय पोस्ट who had to stand security for a movie without any tumi munta no permission was taken, government has to come clear.
No, I am not saying no permission was given.
Government has to come clear. Government has to come clear. Yeah, but suppose if there is no permission, how can a PI be deputed as security for anybody? according you feel how you can you share some thoughts on this?
Exactly. हेच म्हाका आमी आयकला देर आर rumors that हेच गव्हर्नमेंटाचे मंत्रीचो फोन गेला आणि थंय अलाव केला तांची एंट्री. These
Okay.
rumors we have heard.
It's a serious
आणि
charge, madam.
we have to check on that. The government phone record काढल्यार कळटले न्ही कोणालो तो WRD इंजिनियर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर कोण आसा जाल्यार थंयचो इन्चार्ज कोण आसा ताका ताचो फोन रेकॉर्ड काढल्यार कळटले.
आणि PI चो because WRD cannot
ऑल रेकॉर्ड्स काढल्यार कळटले की खंय एंट्री जाली कशी. हे गव्हर्नमेंटान चौकशी करपाचे आशिल्ले की एंट्री जाली कशी. तांच्याच मिनिस्टराचो फोन गेल्लो आसतलो नाजाल्यार ते डॅमाचेर रेस्ट्रिक्शन आसा सामान्य गोंयकार थंय वचपाकच शकना तर हे क्रू कशे गेले थंय कशे पावले.
So you are demanding an inquiry into the thing from the
We are
government about
demanding an
which
inquiry.
minister or which official or kon, some connection.
The government has to investigate, the police has to investigate who has allowed the entry at the Chapoli Dam for this shoot.
Okay. And action you want, you are not happy with the suspension?
No, I am not happy with it because हेजे मूड कितें आसा ते कळपाक जाय. दॅट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. नाजाल्यार हे आयज अशें चल्ला फाल्यां चलतले मागीर हे चालू उरतले.
Okay.
अरेस्ट केलो ताका बेल आउट केले काँग्रेस महिलान ऑब्जेक्ट केल्ले आणि काँग्रेस स्पोक्सपर्सनानूच ताका रिलीज केलो.
अबे किती I don't know about it. की I just explain.
काँग्रेस महिला had objected on this पूनम पांडे केस आणि तांचो स्पोक्सपर्सन आसा ताणे ताका रिलीज केला.
म्हणजे कोण स्पोक्सपर्सन रिलीज केला? I'm not aware of this.
The spokesperson, Congress spokesperson, is a lawyer, I guess.
हा he stood bail for her.
Yeah. So एक प्रिन्सिपल आसपा जाय अशें न्ही हे अशें
Madam, one second. Wait. हांव मातसो कन्फ्यूज जाला. Yes, I know that the Mahila and all, the Pratima, the Mahila, तेणी कितें they had done some morcha and this and that. Now the Congress whoever a Congress spokesperson, a lawyer, was responsible for has appeared on her behalf and it has and she has been released.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, bailed out.
And she was bailed out by the lawyer?
Yes.
South based or north based? I'll not ask for names, but what?
That can be inquired.
Yeah, but this is also news, right? Because the Congress also made a big issue about it, including the president and all. No?
That is what. आणि कितें आसा हे सगळे जर आयज आमी अलाव केले गोंयांत तर लोक गोंयांत हेच करपाक येतले. वी विल नॉट एंटरटेन दिस टायप ऑफ टुरिजम. पळय टुरिजमाचे खूब मॉडल आसा. पड्डाया गेले जाल्यार देर इज अ टायप ऑफ टुरिजम. इन थायलँड देर आर डिफरंट मॉडल्स. But are we going to encourage this type of tourist in Goa?
Correct.
We will not. We will not encourage this type of tourist in Goa.
Sorry.
हेजेर गव्हर्नमेंटान नजर घालपाची गरज आसा.
Absolutely. But see, आता टुरिस्ट येता दोन भाशेचे टुरिस्ट येता. तीन भाशेचे वी कॅन से सिन्स तुम्ही टुरिजमाचेर येयल्ले ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल साम टुरिस्ट येता आपणेचे गाडयेन ते रस्त्यार कितें लायक ते रांदता हें जाता ते वयता. वन सेकंड टायप ऑफ टुरिजम सेकंड होम्स दे हॅव in Goa. The who येता टुरिस्ट लायक मिलिंद सोमन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट. And third type of tourism, they come for variety of these issues. So how is it you can keep a track on it? So many sites are there, so many these are there depicting women, Goa to be part of this. Kosher track something according to you. You are in these women's issues. You are also a mile.
This is what I'm trying to say. Maligning Goan women is bad, and this is what we will not allow. And especially asli shootings जातकच आणि this type of tourists, if we entertain in or encourage in Goa, Goan image will be totally destroyed. एक टाइम आशिल्लो गोंयांत हिप्पीज येताली, रेप पार्टीज जाताली. बट आर वी गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दिस कल्चर, ब्रिंग बॅक दिस कल्चर? नो. आमी बरे फ्युचर गोंयचे कितें जातलो कसो जातलो हेजेर आमी लक्ष दिवपा जाय. लायक वी वॉन्ट अ ग्रीन गोवा, पोल्युशन फ्री गोवा, without coal transportation from Goa. So this is what we want from Goa.
Okay.
So
But
this
is it
what
happening?
we are forward as
Is it
Goa
happening?
Forward Party.
Tell me.
As Goa Forward Party, we are looking into such things. आमची policy forward we want. Good policy we want to get in. So आमचे हे आसा की गोंयांत तुमी हे सगळे नाका जाल्ले एंटरटेन करप ना.
But what you're going to do now? For example, अशें चलता. Government is not this, but is it possible for an opposition party like you to take any action? Is it
Of course,
possible?
it is possible. So, based on our complaint, she was arrested. Now our demand is further investigation. Get to the roots of this incident. Why it happened? How it happened?
Okay. So you really think? See, casinos have started now back again. So and lots of things. Tumchi party, a lot of people you had objected. But you really think that there's going to come anything out of this? Anything?
See, casinos we did not get. Goa Forward Party did not get. Casinos were already brought by the government. And as per the as to the policy, the government has to continue. And जे आता already आयले ताका object करून काय फायदो ना. There is no point in objecting that which already there, because that is as per the government's policy decisions. But we can look for a better future of Goa.
Correct.
And we are trying to get a better future for Goa.
How?
By stopping all this nonsense what happens in Goa.
Okay.
केन्ना गोंयांत पयलीं Goa was we were fighting Goa as a drug destination. मागीर prostitute destination म्हणून गोंयाक एक इमेज पडलो. मागीर आतां ड्रग डेस्टिनेशन जालें, prostitution destination जालें, आतां porn destination जातलो. When such things are allowed, when such things are allowed illegally or legally, whatever, this state will be known for this. ताजेर एक असलोच इमेज वतलो की गोंयांत सगळें चलता, लोक गोंयांत येतलेच हे करपाक मागीर. So that is why we will always object.
As it is, the reputation is there for Goa. Drinks are available freely. That reputation is already there.
Demand जशें हांवें तुमकां सांगलें Pattaya model has succeeded. That doesn't mean we will follow that model in Goa.
Or we should follow.
Yeah, that is what आमकां तो model succeed जाला म्हणून demand आसा म्हणून we will not going to start doing that. आतां जशें drugs जाय म्हणून गरज आसा म्हणून are we going to allow that? No.
But many of these actors and actresses go for drugs. They do these parties, these rave parties are there, this is there, that is there. So does Goa Forward have any plan to stop this? Anything specific or just एक instance घेतला तुम्ही?
गोंयांत येवपाक कोणाक हे ना. We cannot stop anybody from Goa coming to Goa, but we can stop them from doing all these things.
So you mean to say implementation of the law?
In the Goan culture.
So implementation of the law.
In Goa, shootings takes place. We are not against the shootings in Goa, but we are against such shootings, such porn videos. हे एक जाग्यार गव्हर्मेंटाचे प्रिमायसिसाचेर विदाउट खंय स्ट्रिक्ट एंट्री रेस्ट्रिक्शन आसा, एंट्री अलाउड ना, थंय वचून जर पोर्न व्हिडिओ काडटा जाल्यार आमी दोळे धापून बसपाकूच ना.
Okay. And also tourism, and since you spoke about tourism, drug tourism येताच गोंयांत. Not only this type of people, but also drug tourism येता न्हू गोंयांत. So you all want action, you all want the government to act against this and stop this type of tourism. You all want all this to be stopped?
See,
the Goa party is against Goa Forward Party?
Of course, this drug supply and all, we have never supported it. Definitely we are objecting it. So these things, as I said, what is bad or what is maligning Goa should not happen. आमचो एक गोंयचो इमेज वायट वचपाक जायना भायर. जशे लोक म्हणटा की गोंयांत ड्रग्स मेळटा, गोंयांत सोरो मेळटा, आतां गोंयांत बायलां मेळटा, अशें जावपा जायना. गोंयची बायलांक मागीर तेच नदरेन पळयतले लोक दॅट दीज आर इजिली अवेलेबल विमन. सो आमकां हो नाका.
So complaints you all have
That is
got.
the reason we objected and filed a complaint against
Okay.
this obscene act.
Now again, I'll bring you back to Milind Soman. Now he has also basically the way he was running on the beach, and a beach is a public place, public where everybody is supposed to come. And I think under section 292 or something of the IPC, I'm not very sure. 292, yeah. Then exhibition is an issue. Obscenity is an issue. Now, don't you think that is also obscene and exhibitionism?
Yes, of course. As I said, government should take action on these things. What has government done on this? I said that we had filed a complaint against Poonam Pandey. Immediately on the next day, this thing has happened. Doda dapun kidyah basla government? Why cannot government take so much action on this?
Maybe they are waiting for you all to take action.
That's lokani issue. Is it always public and the opposition who needs to bring to the notice of the government?
Possibly,
Why
ma'am,
can't
yes.
government do it?
No, possibly, yes. They want you all. Probably we are waiting for you to file a complaint against this also. No, looks like other what else?
And we have done that.
Yeah, but let me ask you slightly different question. Madam, if a complaint has not been filed or if an issue has not been taken up by the people, when has the government ever acted? Has it ever acted?
No, never acted. Never
Exactly.
acted.
So, how do you
Never
expect it to act like this in the Milind Soman case?
But no, we expect, that is why now when we filed a police complaint, after this, the government should have at least opened their eyes. After one complaint was filed, immediately the next day, government should have opened their eyes because the next incident had happened of Milind Soman.
But you're being very optimistic. You have a lot of confidence in the government. I feel if you
I
expect
don't
it
have
to.
confidence in the government. I don't have confidence in the government. That is the reason I filed a complaint against
In one
Poonam
case.
Pandey.
And not in the other.
No, the complaint was already filed. We have not filed, but there are others who have already filed a complaint on that Milind Soman.
Yes?
Yes,
see, I was
I
not
just,
aware of this.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
government has to act on these things. Whatever is happening, government should take an immediate action so that these things are not encouraged in Goa.
It's okay. And the reputation is not there. I totally
Government
agree with
busy asa, government mining mine or agent trip count karta.
you. Trust.
Government thing busy asa.
Yeah. Okay,
Or
ma'am.
social welfare
Yeah.
is over, तातून पैसे ना, रस्त्यार इतलो खड्डे असले पडला, so big craters that पडल्यार आणि हॉस्पिटलान ना, डायरेक्ट चंद्रारूच वचप.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. And thank you for coming on our show. And hopefully the government will listen to you. I don't know. That is
Government will not listen, and we will continue making noise,
Okay.
and we will continue objecting what all happens in Goa, which is not acceptable to Goa and Goan women, especially maligning the women of Goa. We will not allow this to happen.
Thank you. This is a very strong message by Advocate Ashma Sayed from Goa Forward. Thank you, and I hope the government is listening. Thank you very much, ma'am, for coming on our show.
Thank you.
Yeah. And keep watching Goa 365.